What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been 3 months since my last upload. That's actually connected to cubing, and so Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year for all of the other people right there. It's 12:30 in the morning in the Philippines, so all of the Filipinos, happy Merry Christmas and enjoy your break. And today, let's just open one of my gifts in Christmas. You ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! I now have my first 8x8. That's crazy. It is bigger than my 7x7, and it's actually bigger than my 6x6. That is bigger than my 7x7. Wow. I haven't really tested the cube yet, but yes, it's very good. The turning is actually not bad. So yeah, the second layers are not bad, third layers are not bad, fourth layers is a bit okay, but it's really not bad. Even fast turning. I haven't scrambled this yet, so I'm gonna start scrambling. So yeah, in 3, 2, 1, and we're back. And we're gonna end this video for now. So yeah, bye guys. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.